Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Ankuwa store, their 1500 milliamp hour rechargeable ultrasonic anti-barking device for dogs. It can be used indoors or outdoors. Up to 50-foot range from where the dog is going to be with respect to this box. There's 9 modes of operation. This gets excellent customer ratings and it has a 1-year warranty. Also comes with a little instruction manual how to use it. So this can be used indoor and outdoor because it is water resistant. Comes with the USB-A to USB-C cable and a simple mounting system that will allow you to use it outside. If you are using it outside and you're hanging it up, make sure that you have this charging port closed and sealed, because that's where you actually charge it. So the way this works is a bark is a unique sound and all dog barks are very similar. So this has a microphone in it. It's going to pick up a dog bark. When it does that, it's going to send out a ultrasonic signal. So first of all, we're going to show you. We're going to turn this on, and you see it beeped. And you can look right there. It has the little display. There is a test button, and what it's doing, it's actually producing a real high-frequency ultrasonic signal. Now the reason you don't hear that is because we can't hear that. It's high frequency. You have a choice of the different frequencies right there. You can scroll through. And the reason why they have this is because certain dogs hear frequencies more. This will work for most dogs. About 5% of dogs it won't work because they don't have good enough hearing. But the majority of dogs will find this sound very annoying. You can almost hear it in the, if you listen. Those are the pulses you're hearing of the ultrasonic sound. Sensitivity levels allows you to produce the sensitivity low, medium, and high. You can see it's changing right there, 4 different levels. And that's so that you can determine how little bit of a bark. Some dogs, the barks are lower than other dogs. And again, the frequency is allow you to change the one. You'll find one that works best for the particular dog. You'll see them react to the sound when this goes on. They will hear that high frequency and they will react to it. So I'm going to just try and demonstrate it. I don't have a dog right here, so I'm going to bark with this on. I'm going to test this out. I'm going to bark with this on. And you see what it did? It came on and it started putting in the frequency number 2. And see how it shuts down so that you don't have to have it constantly going to annoy the dog. The dog is going to learn really fast that when it barks, this is going to pick it up and it's going to then produce that high frequency sound that they really don't like. Charging is really simple. You just charge it with the included cable. The display will let you know when it's fully charged. It's just that simple. Really, really clever product. Really thought out nicely. And these do work. I've tried these. I've tried this one with a family dog and a neighbor dog. These actually work quite well. You have to give it about 2 weeks time overall, but you'll start seeing the dog responding when they bark. They'll wonder what's going on because there's a cause and effect. They bark and then they hear this high frequency sound they don't like. And you could scroll through and pick the one that they like the least. And again, sensitivity so that you can determine how far away this is from the actual dog. And then you got your power right there. You hold it down to turn the unit off. Very, very nice, simple to use, and I think you're going to be impressed with how you're going to be able to train any dog within 1 to 2 weeks. So I'm going to give this product from the Ankuwa store a full 5-star rating. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.